Looking for a potential short setup on crude oil over the near term, but I don't think it's going to break to new cycle lows, at least not yet. And there is suggestions it could even drift high towards $70, but I think first we're looking at a pullback, and here is why. First off, looking at the weekly chart of the futures contract, 2 weeks ago we saw a momentary blip beneath $60. The market's not ready to trade beneath there just yet. $60 is a significant level. You've also got managed funds. 2 weeks ago they were the least bullish since December 2023, and large speculators were the least bullish since December. Now, considering that these traders are pretty much always net long, you could argue these are near-term oversold conditions for positioning and therefore prices. So that's why I'm thinking WTI could drift high on the weekly chart in a choppy fashion over the coming weeks towards $70. But the daily chart, I think, has caught my eye for a cheeky short over the near term. So let's look at that quickly. And what's really caught my eye is this very strong sell-off down to that 54 low. And then since then, price action has been very choppy. It's grinding higher, but the fact you've got lots of overlapping daily ranges to me usually indicates a corrective pattern. If not, it still indicates that it's really making hard work of these gains, and I think it's at least a pullback. So maybe this is a significant low. This is a wave 1, and we're looking at wave 2 before 3, etc. Also note we've got this bearish divergence on RSI 2. Your price has come up to the March high, just beneath the $65 handle and 61.8 Fibonacci levels. So there's some decent potential resistance levels around $65. And if we look at what's happening on the 4-hour chart, I've drawn here a very loose rising wedge pattern. I think that does appear to be some sort of rising wedge. So what I'm really looking for here is a bit more evidence that we've seen a swing high, that I might be a little bit more confident we're going to come down towards maybe the 61 handle in this weekly VPOC, or even $60 again. But given the significance of that level and bears failure to break beneath it and hold beneath it first time round, I'm a little bit skeptical that they'll do it next time round as well. And that might be the next long setup for oil to go towards $70, in my view anyway. Anyway, if this is useful, wish you best of luck with your trading.